Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about some of my favorite new items that are from kind of a more affordable luxury brand. I'm really excited to share this because I feel like, listen, everybody is kind of over the price increases and escalating rising prices at a lot of the fashion houses. And what I discovered recently is this brand, or not, I don't know if it's a brand or it's a company called Fabrique. And what the philosophy, from what I understand, is it's a website, but the designers that were either once designers at the big fashion houses come and contribute in this space, and they sell items, but they're designing new items in this space, and they are a fraction of the cost compared to what you would have to pay at some luxury brands. So I'm really excited because this is my first unboxing. I actually have to say a big thank you out to another YouTuber. I'm going to pop her name up on screen because I don't want to mispronounce it, but she has an amazing channel. If you love luxury, all things luxury, she's a great one to follow too. But we're going to unpack two things that I saw on her channel. One of them is a handbag and the other is a sweater. So it's going to take me a minute to unbox these because they are really taped up. So hold please. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, I have the box. Now, I have not unpacked this yet. I have a little catalog, which we'll check out during our coffee tomorrow. And then we have the sweater. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this. It feels really nice. Oh my gosh. Look at this material, you guys. Okay, so when I saw this on the other YouTuber that was reviewing this, I thought, oh my God, she's adorable. And I wanted to order this just for full disclosure. This is size extra large. Oh my gosh, I love this. So I'll put in a picture so you guys can see, but I will say this material is very giving. It's super soft. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. I'm kind of curious to see if I'm gonna have to wear a tank top underneath it, but at first glance, I think this is adorable. Now let me get the name of this guy for you. This is a limited edition, and says designed by Luxe Fanelli. I probably really murdered your name, so my apologies for that. But I will put a little link up on the screen so you guys can see this. It's so pretty though. Okay, so I have it here up on the website. This is called the Sally Pink handcrafted sweater in Angora mohair knit. Again, mine is in size extra large. I'm thinking it feels pretty big. You know what? Let's just try it on for y'all. Okay. It's a luxury channel, but listen, I have an undershirt on today. Let's get this guy on. Oh, it does feel good. So on the website as of today, $288. And I think it runs a little big. Oh my gosh, I can see the little fuzzies going. Oh, but I think I love it. Oh my gosh. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's very girly. It's very comfy. But what I love best about it, oh my gosh, look at, so cute. What I love best about it is it's pretty lightweight. So I feel like I can get away with this in Florida. Like if we go to the movies or we go to like a dinner night, and it doesn't have the flowers on the back. I thought that would be kind of weird. So I was glad to see it was only on the front. But so far, I'm feeling like this is a win, and the sleeves are the perfect like hang on moment to your hands. Oh my gosh. I don't know, what do you guys tell me down below? They also have it, this is called Pink Beige. So one of the things I really like about this site, guys, especially if you're a fashion nerd, is look at this original like drawing with the designer's name, which I'm not going to venture to pronounce because I'm sure I would murder it, Mr. Finelli. I'm not going to do that to you, but you can watch a little video about the artist, which is really cool, about the designer, and then you can see their other work. So if you like their style, you can click on that and you can actually see the other things that they have done, which this is the first time I've clicked on this, but oh my gosh, some of these things are just adorable. And especially now that I know this particular sweater and size works for me, I know that probably his other lines would be similar. I will say, after wearing the sweater a few minutes, I do feel like the clothes are a little bit oversized. I will probably downsize next time. Looks like I missed out on this one here, but this is adorable. Can't you just see yourself like in Switzerland on a train wearing this on your travels? Stop it. It's so cute. But if you're a size medium, extra small, or small, petite, please run and get that sweater if you like it. And back to the one we're talking about today, the Sally pink. I do want to point out my size, if you're an extra large, is running low in stock, and other sizes are still looking pretty good right now, so that's good. Oh, actually extra small petite is running small, and then in the white version, looks like they have, again, extra large is running small. But I will say, if you're an extra large and you're on the edge, I would go ahead and order a large. This, it has some give for sure. It has like some give, right? So it's like a flowy. So and it also feels like it just has give. So if you really love it, I would not hesitate to size down on this. In fact, if I could order this one again, I probably would have sized down, and I don't have a size large in anything. So just to give you guys a frame of reference for that. But let's get to the next one, which is a handbag. And I was really excited about this. So recently my daughter had a big birthday and I took her shopping, and we did go to Prada, which was so fun. And I let her pick out her first designer handbag. And it was the cutest little like suede, but it was expensive, you guys. I mean, of course, all designers are going to be expensive. So the reason I'm so excited about this handbag is I took my daughter had a big birthday recently. We were actually at the Las Vegas travel forum for travel agents. I was a keynote speaker, and it just so happened to also be my daughter's birthday that week. And so I said, look, we're going to be in Vegas. Let's do some shopping. You can pick out your birthday present. And I surprised her, and she doesn't have any like luxury bags, items, things like that. I said, I'm going to purchase you your first luxury bag. And I'm so proud of her. She had her first year of college. She knocked it out of the park grade wise. She's just been doing a phenomenal job. And I wanted this to be like a special mommy daughter. So her first handbag. So we went to the mall in Vegas, and we had a wonderful day, and I took her to Prada, which is her favorite brand that she, loves to dream about and whatnot. And I said, you can pick out a bag of your choice. And she picked out this beautiful, cute little suede bag. And it was adorable. And I was like, oh my gosh, I am dying for suede this fall. I also recently had my color analysis done, and it said that like browns and golds and chocolates should be in my kind of wardrobe, which stay tuned on the channel. We're going to talk about color analysis in the future. That's not today's video, but brings me back to, I did not want to re-spend that amount of money on another suede bag. So I was like, where can I get maybe same level of quality, but not spend as much on myself for this particular purchase? And so when I saw this bag, I thought, oh my gosh, I think this is going to be the perfect thing. So let's unbox it and see what you think. Whew. Okay, that was a lot of tape on that box, but this one comes boxed and then double boxed, so which I feel good about because I feel like it's going to be in great shape when we open it together here. So it's all nice and packed. I'm going to slide the tissue out the side. Okay, I like that it has the dust cover because we're all travelers on this channel. I can already feel like it's nice and soft. But these are so great when you travel. Never throw these dust bags away. Always keep them so when you travel, you can put it over your bag. Oh, I like the color. Okay. This is so exciting. Oh, you guys, stop it. Look at this. Stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, first impressions. It absolutely smells like high quality suede. It is super, super soft. I mean, does it match? It matches my hair like almost perfectly. I know this from the other review. You can actually change these so it can be a crossbody, or you can carry it as a regular shoulder bag. So I'm gonna take those off. Nice. Okay. We like this. Oh, yep. Obsessed. And I'm probably gonna move it down one notch for my arm, but then also check out for crossbody later. But color wise, this is so pretty. It has a magnetic closure. Also on the back, it has this little pocket, but it's just to share with you guys, hang on. It has the magnet in here too. Can you hear it? So if you put anything in there, now let me peek inside. I love that it has the magnet, so it's not an all open bag, you know what I mean? There's a lot of tissue. It's like Christmas in here. Yep. Oh, there's the pocket on the inside has a magnet too, so that's gonna be hard to see on camera, but there is a pocket kind of down here. That's gonna be almost impossible to see on camera, but just trust me, there's a pocket. It looks like about the same size as it is on the outside, but it's also, oh, maybe that's the same magnet. That's so smart. They're using the same yep, I can hold, if I hold it from the inside, it's the same magnet for both pockets, which is great. Now, another thing to notice that I love, it has a little hook on the inside. So if you're like me and you're always losing everything in your bag, this little hook you can use for like your AirPods or your keys or your sunglasses case. And it's kind of good to go there. And look at this, there's one of those on the outside as well. See? So there's one right there as well. Super cute. Now, suede is gonna have some upkeep, right? So if you don't love suede, this also comes in leather. Oh my God, that just fits in my lifestyle already. I'm on the back of my chair. Let me tell you guys the deets and the name. So guys, Valeria Masai, she is like a legend in handbag world. You can see all of the brands that she has worked with prior, including Prada. I mean, how perfect is that for my example today, right? So love that. But she's worked for several big houses, and she's really well known for her beautiful bags. Okay, so this one here is the Domo medium hobo bag in top grain suede. It's $4.58. Comes in 3 different colors. It says it comes in 4, but I only see 3 on the website. So it comes in black is in the leather, and then there's the saddle brown, which is the suede, and then there is an amber brown that is also in leather. So if you want it to be a little more long wearing and leather just works for you better, they also have a small version of this bag. That one comes in at $3.68, but I don't know, for fall and being a mom and having all the things, I love this big one. And I'm short, I'm like 5'4", but I think I think that's gonna work just fine. So overall, first impressions with Fabrique, I am excited. I'm excited that there is a site where you can kind of get designer made goods, but you don't have to pay that top prices, but it is the same quality, because this is very similar to the one that I got for my daughter, but the difference price wise is quite significant. So guys, check out Fabrique. That's my advice today. All right, guys, if you like today's show, make sure you drop me a comment and tell me which one of these are you going to check out, or if there's something else on the Fabrique site that you have ordered, please share. I would love to know all about it. Or if you've tried the brand and you have other recommendations, I would love to learn about that as well. And remember, guys, true wealth is freedom, health, and joy. And everything else is just sparkle, but we do like the sparkle. I'll see you guys next week.
Suitcase packed, world on my side, luxury living joy is my guide.